In this video, we will install Git, the version control system. Git lets us track changes to our code and push it to GitHub. This is the last software we need to install, and it's very straightforward. Open your web browser, go to git-scm.com, git-scm.com. You will see a download for Windows button on the right side, this one. Click it and the download starts automatically. If it does not start automatically, you can click on the link git for windows /x64 setup. So now it started downloading. Once the download is over, you can see the downloaded version and then just double click on it for installation. If Windows asks for permission, click yes and you will see the standard agreement. Click on next, then it chooses to C drive to install. Next. If you want enable additional icon on the desktop, you can have an additional icon. At the same time, check daily for Git for Windows updates. Add a Git bash profile to Windows terminal. These two are not required, so you can just click on next and then next. And here it asks for the default editor. You can choose Notepad++ or you can use VS Code that we have already installed. So I am choosing here use Visual Studio Code as Git's default editor, or use Visual Studio Code Insiders as Git, but here I'll use this one and then click next. And here you can check let Git decide, because Git has many configuration options. For beginners, the default works great. Just click next through these screens. The important settings are already selected correctly. So here at this adjusting your path environment, use Git from Git bash only, Git from the command line and also from third-party software. Use Git and optional Unix tools from the command prompt. So I have already selected the correct option, Git from command line and also from third-party software. Click next. So use bounded OpenSSH. This uses ssh.exe that comes with Git. Here use as well the default one. Use the native Windows Secure Channel Library. So here check out Windows style, commit Unix style line endings, keep it default and then click next. Here also use the default Minty, the default terminal or terminal of MSY MSys 2, and fast forward and merge, that is also the default option. Let's keep it the default selection and click install. So it will install very quickly. Let's wait to get installed. So installed, you can click or check launch git bash and finish. So it will show you a release notes. If you are interested, you can go through various facts about Git and the introduction. You can close it quickly and then open. And also I would like to delete this one. I don't want to have it on my computer. So open the terminal cmd and then type git minus minus version. So here we have various options available. So it should show the git version properly. So here if you look at, the git is not recognized because of the spelling mistake. Now let's check git minus minus version with correct spelling. So it got installed perfectly. So with this we are done with all the softwares required for our project, and now we'll move on to the next video, installing GitHub Copilot extension and other aspects of the VS Code. See you there.